Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi Pad 5 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we get just two ways how we can do that, and the first one, you should go here into the settings application and then click here on the lock screen or just here to the wallpaper. And now just you can see here the your device local photos, for example the previously taken on your device camera, or for example downloaded from the internet. And here we got the pre-installed, the default photos. You can just tap here on these photos and select one from these default wallpapers. For example, we can go with this one, click here to apply, and we want to set this wallpaper on the lock screen. I'll click here and we got here the message that this wallpaper applied successfully to our lock screen. And now we'll check that. So as can you see, we just successfully changed our device lock screen wallpaper. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while the one from your device screen, that doesn't matter which screen that will be, and here on the left down corner click on the wallpaper icon. By the same way, select one from these wallpapers, tap here to apply, click on the lock screen, wait a second, and now we can see that we just successfully changed again our lock screen wallpapers on our Xiaomi Pad 5. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.